Thomson Nature Park. This 50-hectare buffer park is unique for its rich cultural heritage as the site of a former Hainan village. It is also home to a rich array of biodiversity and is notably a key conservation site for the critically endangered Raffles banded langur. Please like, subscribe, and share. How to get to Thomson Nature Park. Take any of these buses: alight on after Tagore Drive stop or alight on before Tagore Drive stop. Bus 138 Ang Mo Kio Interchange. Bus 167 Sembawang Interchange to Bukit Merah Interchange. Bus 860 Yo Chu Kang Interchange. Bus 980 Sembawang Interchange to Lor 1 Geylang Tur. Nearest MRT. Thomson East Coast Line. Alight on Upper Thomson Station, Exit 5. Take Bus 980 or Bus 167. After alighting on the bus stop, walk ahead for about a few minutes. Keep walking until you see the direction signage. You are almost there. Be careful as this is a driveway. There you are. Follow the park's reminders. Biking is allowed in certain areas. Do not touch, chase, or corner animals. Stay calm. Walk away slowly if you encounter animals. Do not feed the animals. Do not use flash photography. What are you waiting for? Come and experience the beauty of nature. Thank you for watching. Have a nice and safe day.